ready? This is our gold medal match. As red fencer, we have Greg. Let's have a round of applause for Greg. And as our gold fencer, we have Matt. Round of applause for Matt. All right. My scorekeepers are ready. My judges are ready. And my fencers are ready. All right. We are skirmishing for the first assault. And you are ready? Begin. Yes. Clean it for red. Red fencer is striker for the first assault. Gold is defending. And you are ready. Begin. I get my judges, please. Okay, all right. No score, we continue the assault. Red fencer is striker, gold is defending. When you are ready, begin. Oh! Clean hit by gold fencer. Go directly to our second assault. Gold fencer is striker for the second assault, red is defending. When you are ready, begin.
Oh, nice. Point. Oh. Nice.
Yes. All right.
Oh.
That was 1 point for gold fencer before a clean strike back from red. So we have 1 point for gold, and then we will go directly to the third assault with red fencer as striker for the third assault.
It's just a phone check.
All right, so you got 1 point there, and then he ended the assault. So you're going directly to the third assault. You are defending. Red fencer is striker. Give her up to 5 points. When you are ready, begin.
Hit.
Oh! Clean strike from gold and you third assault. The points are 1 gold, 0 red. Go to the redemption round for red. You score 1 point in this round, Greg, to bring you into a tie. Matt, you are defending. You are ready. Begin.
Hit.
Clean strike from gold, ending the redemption round. Final score, 0 red. This is our gold medal match. As red fencer, we have Greg. Let's have a round of applause for Greg. And as our gold fencer, we have Matt. Round of applause for Greg. My scorekeepers are ready. My judges are ready. And my fencers are ready. All right. We are skirmishing for the first assault. And you are ready? Begin. Yes. Clean it for red. Red fencer is striker for the first assault. Gold is defending. When you are ready, begin. Get my judges, please. All right. No score, we continue the assault. Red fencer is striker, gold is defending. When you are ready, begin. Up! Clean hit by gold fencer. Go directly to our second assault. Gold fencer is striker for the second assault. Red is defending. When you are ready, begin.
Oh, nice. Whoa! Nice.
Oh, I got it.
All right.
All.
That was 1 point for gold fencer before a strike back, clean strike back from red. So we have 1 point for gold, and then we will go directly to the third assault with red fencer as striker for the third assault.
Okay.
You got it?
It's just a phone cap.
Gotcha. All right. So you got 1 point there, and then he ended the assault. So we're going directly to the third assault. You are defending. Red fencer is striker. You're up to 5 points. When you are ready, begin.
Hit!
Halt! Clean strike from gold and then the third assault. The points are 1 gold, 0 red. You go to the redemption round for red. You score up to 1 point in this round, Greg, to bring it into a tie. Matt, you are defending. You are ready. Begin.
Hit!
Clean strike from gold, ending the redemption round. Final score